guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be like a little vlog walk down memory lane. I am watching my children play in the snow, so bear with me. But I thought I would just show you some highlights from the last few weeks. You may have noticed that there has been a lack of a vlog, and the reason for that is Dean's been away, and honestly I haven't found myself like very vloggy. There's been just a lot of things like, I don't know, just back to school and parenting, and then trying to maintain workflow and all these little things, work itself. So what I thought I would do today is just show you some highlights. So let's go do that.
Yeah, my name is Bill. I make them dollar bills. I stack them up.
Starting this week off right. Well, it's Thursday, so I've already started it. But with you guys, I just got back from working out. Feels great. I'm feeling pretty tired, if I can be just real. So tired, a little foggy in the brain, you know what I mean? It's just coming towards the end of the first week of Dean being away, and I'm tired. Also, I just did some stairs, so I'm literally out of breath. Stand by. Yeah, it's hard. I don't know, that's all I gotta say about it. I don't like to complain. I'm trying not to complain, I'm trying to be grateful, have an attitude of gratitude kind of thing, and I am definitely looking forward to parts of this weekend. Tomorrow the kids have off, and we're probably gonna have a play date. Dad's coming out on Sunday. I might go hang out with Joanna and family on Saturday. We'll see. Anyway, I just got a package in the mail, and I thought I would show you what I picked up. So, Esme and Jack were talking about sparkly sand, and so I got some of this kinetic sand, but actually this isn't kinetic sand, is it? It's like a National Geographic brand. All right. So I got two because Esme is going to a birthday party coming up, and I thought this might be a really nice gift, and it was a good price. It was like $16 or something. I also got her some hair ties because we have been talking about hair ties for a long time. Anyway, she's way overdue. I didn't know they were going to send me 3 packages, but okay. Got 3 packages of hair ties, and she specifically wanted ones that match her hair color, so there you go. And then I also got myself some witch hazel, you know, for like skin irritations and things. I don't know, I just realized I didn't have any, and I wanted some, so that's what I got. That's my delivery. Well, we got a late start today. Coffee. I'm having some raisin bread. Let's see that. Jack's having some breakfast and some iPad time, and we got a little delivery. Isn't this nice? The Gigi sisters sent over some spa items for the kids from the Glama Gall Tween Spa. I mean, how sweet are they? This came in a box, but we've opened it. Got nail polish and some face masks. Look how cute. The kids are so excited. And there's even some bath bombs with little spiders on it. Can you see that? Jack is so pumped. Anyway, very, very sweet. Thanks, ladies. I'll be honest with you, I'll tell you that Esme and I are having a big fight right now. I don't know why. She woke up on the wrong side of the bed, and she's just in a mood, and she's hitting her brother, and she's yelling, and it's driving me insane. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna have some toast. I'm gonna have a coffee and just try not to speak, you know? Here's the thing with parenting young children. It could be a little bit yelly, and I can be a little bit yelly with her. Like we both kind of, it's like, Amanda, you're the grown-up. Her dad is away traveling, and this is hard, and this is just a hard time for everyone, and she feels frustrated. Patience. Patience. Are you done in your bath?
Yep.
Okay, I'm coming. And that one's just having a moment. We're just taking it easy. I've had a nice hot shower, cleaned my hair, shaved my legs, you know, all the important things. And I've been listening to this podcast called Strangers, which I wish I'd included on my list of podcasts to listen to. It's really good. She's got a very gentle voice, and I feel like the stories can be just very in-depth and interesting and heartfelt. So I'll link it below, but it's a really good one. I know, you get canker sores like Mom. What's she barking at? Guard dog here. What is it? Where are you? Where are you?
Nora's downstairs.
It's her new hangout. What's the matter?
What's the matter?
You want a greenie?
Well, green baby.
Come here. You can have a snack too. There you go.
Give Bubba
Cute slippers alert. Okay. Have a snack. Here you go.
Jack wins again.
I know because I love being winning.
You are such a good winner. I'm gonna get one this time, okay?
I think you are. We were gonna have both. We're gonna have both. We didn't win. We didn't win. We didn't win. We didn't win.
Dad's trying to win. Ah, Jackie still won. All right, we're on our way. So I've got making a coffee. I downloaded some shows off of Netflix for the kids. Just takes a minute. You're ready? You're ready?
Like my necklace?
Bring the head. I got the Bluetooth headsets, snacks, and drinks. Oh, you know what we need to do, Esme? We need to take an Advil before we go. She's got really bad canker sores. Like, she gets them bad like me. So we're gonna take an Advil. Here we go.
I get them because of you.
I know, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, we'll take this
Mad at
and
you.
we'll be on our way here. Okay, we're on our way. Bluetooth, Bluetooth. Creepy baby, but you know what? It's kind of cute. And there's another one here. They're not real, although they look it. Off to Joanna's house. And I've got my podcast on the go. We've got this. Hi, pretty dog. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. We've taken over your house.
We're cleaning up from the Play-Doh.
That's it. Hello, little lady.
I'm going to find big boy.
These girls taking over. Jack and Holden are playing over there. Just having a good time. Whoop. Oh yeah, that's like a dog's favorite treat. Esme's playing dress up at Beau's house. How cute are you? Look
That's
gorgeous.
a Rapunzel. That's a Rapunzel dress.
So pretty. I like how it has the, what's it called on the inside? It's like got the thing to make it all, the hoop. You wanna do a little spin? Yay! Holy shit, the mouse is right there on the floor. What do I do? What do I do?
Okay.
The mouse is right there. What do I do? Nora, you are useless to me.
The mouse actually right there.
Yeah, it is. Get over here, but go slowly. I'm gonna put this big bowl on top of it and then I don't know what to do. Nobody touch that thing!
Nora, get over here.
Nobody touch that.
Nora, you're a little rat.
I found the mouse. Shit. We got a new dance, guys. You know what it's called? It's called We Don't Need No Man. We can do whatever we can. We don't need no man. Alright, on that note.
I'm wearing my dad's shirt. Yay!
Gotta change the light bulb. I'm cooking bacon. I'm making dinner. Bacon and sausages and eggs. Catching mice.
Danger! Look at my shoes.
Righty tighty.
Lefty loosey!
There is spiders and I don't like it.
Well, spiders are better than a mouse. It's on!
Thank you so much.
But they don't have...
The best treat ever.
Mom, can I have one?
Yeah, you can.
Let's go to the Ferris wheel.
Delicious or what? No. Best thing ever? Yum. This is about the only ride I go on. This isn't a merry-go-round because I'm a big wuss. Like, no. I used to be able to go on those rides as a teenager, but like, oh, hell no. Even now I get a little feeling, I'm like, sorry. This is the slowest moving train ever. Look at Dean's face. Oh, he's the one honking the horn. You're honking the horn.
I want action. Let's punch the clock. I need C-C-I-O-N. Now some folks don't want to be the guy. No real action. CGI. Game time on the line. They prefer to talk and if the clothes they're exposed like a Birkenstock.
Oh yeah.
Me, but I've heard.
Hi, Hank.
Here, you don't have it. Oh, sweet.
Watch carefully as I place this burning torch into my mouth.
No!
Okay, no one's gonna stop me, huh? Thought maybe we were born in. I thought you were on side. Here we go. Fire torch in the mouth. I know. How do we know it's real fire? Faster people, think it through. Okay, and double tosses and the crowd goes wild. And the big 3 torch finale! Yes!
Woo!
Thank you!
Right, let the transformation begin. We bought a sofa and some other things. So this room's gonna look different. Jack's got his sustenance, he's got an Oreo and a Ninja Turtle and a movie, and here we go. All right, so this is the before. It's not gonna be that dramatic, seriously guys, but this is the before. There's also a zombie on the floor. Yeah, just keep turning and turning until it's tight. Four, I put in those ones. 5, look at this, we're at the last step. 6, I just got to tighten those, which I did. And 7 is put on the legs. So get the legs for the sofa. Thank you. Okay, come on, Jackie, which way? You wanna go on that side or this side?
What did I do?
Just go like this, and you roll, and you twist it in.
Can I try?
Yeah. Keep twisting this tight, tight, tight.
You did that one, Mama. Which way did you twist it?
Towards the door.
What's the door? No, put it this way.
You did it. Okay, I think you're good.
Am I done?
Yeah.
I'm done?
Yeah.
Good.
That's it. Now we just gotta put the cushions on. Dude, we did it.
No, we put the cushions on.
All right.
So this is after. Yeah. The zombie. Yeah, to show me the bad
I'm
guy.
sure about this setup here. High five. Yeah, girl, we did it.
We did it.
I think I'm gonna keep that chair. It works. Got the beige and the brown. That is gonna go. That is part of a giant sofa I used to have. I hate microfiber because look at it, it's disgusting. But also it was just too big to make it down those stairs. And then that I'm either gonna give away or toss. I don't care. Goodbye, so long. Cozy sofa. Obviously, it's this. Oh Jesus, what was that? Zombie. Okay, that's how my life is going. Anyway, I'm very happy. Whoa, you all right? Anyway, oh, and Esme got this new blankie. Here you go, baby. Lie down, pillow. So Dean will get home tonight. We'll take that out and bring it to the dump or something. We're done. So Dean's home, yay! We're running errands. What are we doing today? So Jack and Esme both need boots, winter boots. Winter's kind of sneaking up on me. They have some stuff that fits them from last year, but both their feet have like changed sizes. And Dean and I, we're going to join a gym.
Oh yeah.
What? So you guys know I've been doing like this workout class and I've loved it. However, the timing is not cooperating anymore with me getting to other things. Like there's 1 or 2 classes in the day and I don't always get to those classes because I have to like just work and do other things. Anyway, so I'm thinking with having a gym membership, I can go whenever I want.
Yeah, but I have a question.
Yeah.
Do you think that we're going to continue at this gym?
I
How
sure
many
am.
people fail at gyms?
Listen, I did my workout for 8 months. You went once. So the question is, are you gonna fail? Let's make it a challenge. I love me a good challenge. Challenge? We try?
What's the challenge again?
Get thinner
Oh my goodness.
and go to the gym.
It's funny, like, not eating doesn't work.
No, who wants to not eat? I want to eat. Also, my arm's getting tired. I think I need to start going to the gym. All right, join us. Shopping, gym sign up, other things. We did it. We signed up. It's going to be awesome. So we're working with, we're going to be going to Planet Fitness. So not sponsored. This is like all on our own. And what I really like is 1, it's a really good price. And 2, it has this, like it's a very big facility, which I like. So you don't feel like you're just all cramped in one area. And they have like this like water chair massage thing and tanning and just, anyway, I'm pumped. So we are going to go work out today. We should have brought our stuff with us, but I just didn't think I'd want to work out today. I don't know. Anyway, made some smoothies and then we're gonna go work out and then go get the kids. So smoothies, I've got 1 bamboo straw and 1 metal straw because, you know, I'm getting with the program. That's for Dean. And let's get her done here. Basically, it's a quick lunch before we head out. This is the situation right now. Little bagel, little coffee, a little mess, little emails, just stuff going on. I'm trying to film, what? I'm trying to film a little like weekly vlog, but when you haven't filmed them in a minute, I forget to pick up the camera. So today is all about getting some deadlines and hoping to get to the gym and yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, and Esme and Jack have eye appointments. Don't forget. I forgot their last appointment, so I like seriously need to put a reminder in my phone. There's one kid. Hi, Jack. We've had snowfall really early this year, so you have like ignore my other screaming child, rich with endorphins, but we've had all this leaves that the city hasn't even picked up yet, mixed in with the snow, so it's a bit of a situation. But here's everyone's little snow attire. Oh, here we go. Here we go. She's a little bit wild. What is, you got ice cubes stuck to your head? Oh, hello. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little hodgepodge of family memories and kind of what our month looked like. And I would say subscribe and stick around because December's going to be full of weekly vlogs. They're coming back. Lots of family things happening this month. Yeah, lots of just fun stuff. So let's get into that Christmas spirit, you know? I gotta go parent the situation here and feed them because they're kind of going rogue on me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.